Hey everybody, Palace of Poison here, and welcome to Fridge, which is an indie horror game that you can find on itch.io using the link down below. I've been doing a lot of random horror game videos for a while now, and they're fun, but I'd like to devote a little more time to games individually, at least today. That's what I'm going to do. So you might see several releases from me today, all with just one game, maybe two. It just depends on how long each of the games are. But this one is called Fridge, and I don't know anything about it, so we're gonna play. Billy? No, that's not my name. ZeWaffel Man Presents Fridge. Who the hell's Billy? I'm gonna turn my volume up a little bit here. Alright, so we're in the game. Left click to use flashlight. I don't think I need to. Oh. Is the fridge beeping? Is the fridge a bomb? Oh. What? I'm confused. Why is the fridge beeping and why does it look like this when I shine my flashlight on it? I don't know. Doesn't appear to be anything on the back. Oh, the sides don't do that. Okay, interesting. Whoop, let's Okay, fine. Can I jump? I can. Nothing on the top. Okay. Can I open this? I jumped again. Can I open the fridge? Can I shine my light on the flashy thing? This doesn't do anything. Okay, well, let's just leave that alone and go over here. Okay. Oh, it's gone. Why does it look like it has a face? It's really disconcerting. You were just here a second ago. You're not like an SCP where if I don't look at you, you move. What? Okay, can I go down here now? No. This is the reset area. This makes changes. Okay, now there's a lot of them, and they're moving through me. Hello? Hi. It'd be terrible if they all fell. I can't get this in. Okay, now it's dark. And his name was Billy. Who? The fridge? I'm falling through the world? What is happening? Who's Billy? Why are there refrigerators? That's it? That's the end? Okay, well, this has been Fridge. I think this is going to be one of those videos where I do at least two videos, or games in one video, because that was really short. Interesting. I don't know who Billy was. Are we Billy, the player? Is the refrigerator Billy? Why does it have a face? Why is it beeping? Does its filter need to be changed? Because I do find that annoying when they make noise and they otherwise complain that they need their filter changed, because it seems to happen way too often that they need the damn filter changed. There's no way it's that inefficient or that the water is that terrible. And why is this piano track so aggressive? Okay, well, I guess I'll move on to another game right now. Okay, this game is called Payback Time. And I don't know much about it. Do I need to? Oh, okay. There you go. Payback Time. New game, load game, about controls. Figure it out. It's a very nice title screen. I like the image with the overlay of the, I don't know, trees. So, music's getting pretty intense. I guess I better start playing. So we're gonna do new game. My name is Ziren Wen, a professor who studied the virus. Maybe the pressures caused me amnesia, insomnia, and illusions, so I moved to that place. A beautiful place to heal myself. And tonight okay. If you want to know the rest of that, you can, why is there ominous sound? There's a candle. Mouse sensitivity is pretty... I'm sorry, I didn't mean to... Why? Just why is this like this? And there's no table for this. And yet, you have a perfectly good lamp right here. Okay, I'm just saying this. But you have a perfectly good lamp right here. And you don't have it on the table. Instead you have this candle. That doesn't make any sense to me. Can I open that over there? Okay, it just really wants me to open that door. Alright. Okay, what's in this one? Again with the freaking candles. Who is gonna do this? You'll burn your freaking hair or something. I wanna... Okay. And this... What is... Oh, that's right, the power's out. Oh, yeah, the power... Okay, I'm sorry, power's out. I forgot that the power was out, and that was a thing in this game. Hello? Okay, nothing, no reflection of anything. There's the old... Wow. Nice shower head. Okay, well, doesn't seem to be anything here. Alright. What's in here? What's in... Okay, what about... Nope. Oh. Excuse me, I wasn't ready for that. So it seems like the only thing we can interact with is doors. I don't think we need candles outside. What are we lighting up, really? Do I... What? Where? You know what? I don't care. Bring it on. Bring me the scariness. Donald Duck's out here somewhere. Okay, well, whatever. Oh, this is a lovely room. Oh, a note. Can I... No, stop opening the damn door. Okay, an invitation card to Lamcour Republic. It looks lovely. I like it. Okay. Do I escape out of... No, continue. Sorry, I'm used to pressing... What is that? What is that? Right? Oh, I have a body. Nice. What is that, though? That round thing. Listen, leave me alone. Uh-oh. Is this money? Sorry, I don't... Oh, look! We have a theme! We have a theme. What is this? Professor Wen, your research did a big favor to our agency. Thank you, and please keep the secret from the part. The latest lab research? Cat? Well, this place just keeps going. Alright, before I go down that deep dark hallway, what's this one? Hey Wen, do not buy things for kitchen so quick. I will help you with that with my designs. Journey. Oh, okay, well... I guess it's all about what you want then, huh? Okay, what's this stuff? Is that a key? No, it's part of a knife. Alright, can we stop with the crying? And the Donald Duck noises? I can't pick that up. There's a note over there, but I'm too far away. I couldn't possibly... What? Is there something out there trying to get me? I lost my memories at certain times, and I don't know why. Okay, so we got some prescriptions. What's so freaking funny about that? I'm losing my memories at certain times. I can hardly sleep. I start to have hallucinations, not solutions. What? What is happening? It's getting more intense. This is the hallway we started going down. Okay. Alright, forget all that then. We're going down the long, freaky hallway of darkness. To the elevator, yes! Better not use that yet. Oh. Okay, can I go in here? Yes, I can. Not open. Does that mean I need a key or something? I know English isn't the primary language of this developer, so... Earlier it said F to interact, but... Alright, so I'm missing something. I just don't know what. Oh, a key perhaps. Is it just gonna get progressively more and more freaky and loud as I go on because I'm going bonkers? Oh, this is a completely different hallway. Is it not? Oh, no, it's the same one. Oh, Jesus! What the... Why did I die? Why did I die? All I did was open a door! What? Why did I... Now I can't open anything? Is this my... I'm oh, Jesus. I'm doomed? There's nothing out here. I guess you gotta be quick about things, maybe? I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't know what happened. I spent too much time critiquing their design choices. Oh god, I'm hitting E and on everything, and it's opening all the doors. I don't mean to be doing that. Can I go in there? No. What about this? Is there anything I can't go in there? Okay, and then this one. Can I jump? I cannot. Can I go around the other side? I can. But fat lot of good that does me. Ugh. Sorry. I'm sorry. The door got in the way. Okay, this is where I died. I went in here and I died. Even though there's nothing in here. There's nothing in here at all. So I guess whatever. Okay. Let's quickly read all the notes. Alright. Where's the other ones? Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Research. Don't mess with the kitchen. I'll do stuff myself. Okay. Where even is the kitchen? I can't do anything with this here computer. Whoa. I can, however, look at this. Nothing that way. No. Can't do anything there. I mean, maybe you're supposed to just die. I could be wrong about that, but, you know, it's entirely... Okay, here we go, here. Stuff's starting to happen. Alright. We should probably leave. We'll just leave. Let's just go. Let's just go. We've read everything. Let's just leave. Why, though? Why can't I just go now? Shouldn't do that yet. But why? Oh! I heard the elevator. I heard it go ding. Down. Oh, F. Clicking. It's just hope. What? Well, I guess I'm moving because the door's closed. There's the top of my head. Or forehead, anyway. So, is this gonna do anything, or am I just in here now forever? I can't... I think I'm just stuck in here forever now. Oh, I sort of had a reflection. Look, haha, not a vampire. And you thought I was part of the undead. Although I am stuck in here forever now, maybe? Until enough time goes by and I just lose? I'm pushing interact buttons. But, I feel like I'm just stuck in here. And I'm not gonna be able to get out. And then I'm gonna get jump scared and die. That's what's gonna happen. Let's wait and see if that is indeed the case, right? Sorry if I got really close to the camera there for a second and didn't intend to. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's what's gonna happen. Let's go to, oh wait, I think something's about to happen. No, I'm hiding. You can't find me. You're not gonna get me. I'm fine. Come on then. Come on then, let's do it. Have at you. Avast. Bloop, 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 bloop. I'm pushing all the buttons. I'm clicking everything. Just don't cry. Or keep... Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Oh. There doesn't seem to be a way out of this one-person elevator. Maybe two people. Two people who know each other really well. I don't know. I may have glitched it out here. So all I'm gonna do is just. I'm assuming I'm gonna. Either way, I'm gonna die. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to quit. I guess that's all there is. Like, you can only do so much, so I guess you're scripted to die? I don't really know. F to use the elevator, shift to run, but there didn't seem to be a need to. E to interact. Okay, I wasn't doing anything wrong. I guess that's all there is to it. It was pretty cool. And, I just wish more things happened, or it was more clear as to what I was supposed to do. But no, I had a good time. You know what? This is going to be a random horror games video because neither of these games were very long. So I'm going to play something else right now. All right, so this game. Hold on a second. Let me fix my light issue here. That's a little bit better. This game is called Sev's Way Home, and it just came out like literally like 5 seconds ago, and I was like, hey, I'll check that out. Why not? Only problem is it is in Unreal Engine, and we know how that works out for me. So let's start game. Curious as to why it says lighting needs to be rebuilt. 5 unbuilt objects. What? Is that like my objective? Oh. Okay. Alright. Wow, it's super duper dark. Make sure I check both ways before I cross the street. I'm gonna look at the ground. Apparently there's 2 endings and it only takes like a minute to complete these. Oh hey, are you Sev? Am I Sev? Who's Sev? What's up? You look like Agent Mulder. Hello? Do you do anything? Sir? Sir, I'm gonna have to ask you to do something. You're just gonna... Okay, you just... sorry, I'm phasing through trees here. Can I have your car then? No? Okay, well... excuse me. Excuse me. I'm gonna take your DeLorean and go. Okay, I don't know what to do then. I turned my light off because I'm dumb. Probably not a good idea to walk down the middle of the road. Or... Boy, there's not... Dude, what? Why? What is happening? What? Sorry I interrupted your... Okay. Well, I interrupted your dance party there. Yeah, okay, is it gonna happen again? Let's go a little further. Yeah, oh, look at him spazzing out. Oh, are you Sev? What is this? I'm just gonna walk through y'all. Bye. You have a good time. Okay, you're gone. Well, bye. Oh, okay, there's one ending. That was fun. Let's try again and see if we get a different ending this time. Alright, so that happens. Alright, bye. And I have a flashlight, which is, yeah, okay, there we go. Flashlight. So I guess maybe the other ending is if we go the other way. Oh, this is unfortunate. Okay, well, maybe the other ending has something to do with this gentleman and his vehicle. Let's find out. I tried messing around with it before. Nothing really came of it. He didn't do much of anything, so... What is this? Oh, it's a lamppost. Okay. So we got some, oh god, clipping issues. Alright, well, maybe I try the other side of the road and everything will be fine. Can't get me if I'm over here in the woods. Oh, of course, I also can't go anywhere. Are things fading out? Now I appear to be stuck. How did I get myself into this situation? I don't know. Here's the road. Okay. Alright, well, I'll continue on the road, I guess. Well, you're gonna do that now. Alright, whatever, man. Okay. There he goes again. Alright, well, I don't know how to get another ending out of that. That was super weird. Interesting, I guess. Maybe. Kinda. A little bit. It was fine. It was okay. So I think that's going to do it for this episode of Random Horror Games. Let me know what you thought of these down in the comments below. I like to hear from you. And 99% of the time I do respond. So, you know, I'm not one of those YouTubers who doesn't read the comments. I do. I read all your comments, good and bad. Mostly good. 99% of them are good. Yes, I would stand by that figure. Anyway, if you like what you saw here today, any part of it at all, go ahead and click that like button. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you haven't done so already, I would be oh so grateful if you were to subscribe. And I thank you. Anyway, I think that's going to do it for me in this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!